Let's try a centripetal force problem. Lightning McQueen has a mass of 800 kilograms and drives 50 meters per second around a flat circular track that has a radius of 200 meters. Find the centripetal force exerted on him to keep him on the track. The equation for centripetal force is equal to mv squared over r, where m is equal to mass, v is equal to velocity, and r is equal to the radius. Let's make a table. It says that Lightning McQueen has a mass of 800 kilograms, so m is equal to 800 kilograms. And it says that he's driving 50 meters per second, so v is equal to 50 meters per second. It also says that the track has a radius of 200, so r is equal to 200 meters. So the centripetal force is equal to 800 times 50 squared over 200. You can simplify this by canceling out the zeros right here. So then we have 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4, times 50 squared, which is equal to 2,500. 4 times 2,500 is equal to 10,000, and the units for force are newtons. So then we have that the centripetal force is equal to 10,000 newtons.